Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true Asian comfort food classic, Cola chicken wings. It's the perfect blend of sweet and savory with a sticky. Let's get cooking! Here's what you'll need to get started. Our key ingredients include star anise, light and dark soy sauce, and of course, some fresh chicken wings. In addition, we'll need some ginger and scallions to round out the aromatics. You can easily find all of these at your local supermarket. Just make sure the wings are nice and fresh for the best possible texture. First things first, after washing your wings, make sure to pat them bone dry with kitchen paper. This is crucial for a good sear. Then, take a fork and poke a few holes into the wings. It might feel like a workout, but it helps the flavor soak right into the meat. Next, prep your aromatics, sliced ginger, star anise, and scallion sections. One for blanching, and one for the stir fry later on. We're going to divide these into 2 equal portions, one for blanching, and one for the stir fry later on. We'll start with a pot of fresh, cold water. First, go ahead and add that first portion of aromatics, our ginger, scallions, and star anise. Now, carefully place the chicken wings in. We want to bring this to a boil gradually so the heat can properly draw out any remaining blood or impurities. The moment it reaches a rolling boil, remove the wings immediately. This quick blanching process is essential for getting rid of that gamey smell, leaving us with a clean canvas for the sauce later. Get your pan hot with a bit of oil, then crank it up to high heat. Toss in the second portion of aromatics to release their fragrance, then lay in the wings. Sear them until they're lightly golden brown on both sides. That high heat is key to rendering out the excess fat. Time for some color. Pour in a splash of light soy sauce for that deep savory kick, followed by a touch of dark soy sauce to give the wings that beautiful, rich amber hue. Now for the secret weapon, Coca-Cola. Pour it in slowly and let that sweetness balance the soy. Bring it to a bubbly boil over medium heat, then turn it down to low. Let it simmer until it reduces into a thick, luscious glaze. You can control the thickness to your liking. Now that the sauce is reduced to a beautiful, glossy glaze and the wings are perfectly cooked, it's time to take them out and plate them up. Carefully arrange the wings on your serving dish. Stacking them up neatly not only looks professional but also keeps them warm. To finish, make sure to drizzle every bit of that remaining sauce from the pan right over the top for that extra punch of flavor and shine. And there you have it! Incredibly simple to make, but packed with so much flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time.